This vanilla natural coconut oil has become one of those things I didn't know I needed until I started using it. I mainly used it for cooking. It's great for high heat stuff like searing steaks or still frying vegetables. The smoke point is really high, so it doesn't burn easily. The flavor is mild, just a subtle coconut taste that actually works well with most dishes. But here's where it gets interesting. I also use it for my beard. Sounds weird, but it it's an amazing board conditioner. Just warm up a little bit in your hands and work it out. Keeps it soft and manageable without feeling greasy. I've also started using it as a pre-shave oil. Helps the razor glide smoothly and my skin doesn't get irritated. And if I'm the gym and forgot lotion, this works great on dry hands or elbows. The jar is solid white oil at room temperature, but the second it hits your skin, it melts. 60 ounce lasts forever. It's organic, unrefined, cold pressed. Basically, is natural is as it gets. My girlfriend actually gives this to me after she keeps stealing my regular cooking oil, and now I get why she was so into it. Super versatile.